you good? We in the shop? We in the shop? Alright, we good. Alright, hello. For those who haven't been here before, welcome back if you already know what it is, okay? I got a part 2 for you, alright? The last video I did, it was to show you how to change the LEDs in your Xbox controller. Well, this is the follow-up to that video, okay? Part 2, the second, always better, right? Maybe not, okay. But anyways, we're gonna do more than one color, okay? Craziness, right? Look, we got all these filters right here, all these filter fishes. Gefilte fish! And we about to do that custom right now, that mod. And don't worry, I'm gonna show you, I'm gonna link it down where I got these from. The only thing I'm gonna use 2 of these colors, and I'm gonna go from there. And if that sounds interesting to you, watch the rest of this video. It's hot, it's so hot right now. I'm dying.
So hot right now.
So I'm gonna try to get through this quick, but it should be fun. And also before we get going in the rest of this video, okay? Focus. All right, you see that? If your name's Pharaoh, don't do this next mod, all right? I warned you. Don't break another controller and try blaming me, okay? Now that that's done, like the video and subscribe, all right? You already know. Let's get into it. We got the purple and the pink filter. That's what we're gonna be using. Also, real quick before I get started, always remember to take off this clear film that's on every filter. Right, here we go, this is what we're working with. All I did was grab some tape, some packing tape, and tape it right over to hold it together. Now all we gotta do is cut a circle so it can go into the controller. Got the controller open again, but I wanted to show you guys this. This is a controller I already modded, put the gel film in there, and look, so you guys can see, still there, still intact, everything's good, all good, you can do it. All right, here it is. Got the filter all cut out. It's good to go. We about to put this in the controller. Went ahead and put the gel filter behind the power button this time. I super glued it. All we got to do is put the controller back together and see how it looks.
And the result is...
All right, this didn't go exactly to plan. I didn't get that same X effect that I wanted. So we're gonna have to scrap this one and do it one more time, but it's okay. It's okay. We mess up sometimes. Okay, second try's the charm. We still gonna do pink and purple, only half and half this time. All right, there she goes, new filter in place. Now let's see what it is. Focus. Oh, ooh, there she goes. That's it. Let me get up close. Came out nice. Better than I thought it would. That's spicy right there. You know what? Enough of me talking. Cue the montage. I can't speak. Think it came out real good. And yeah, that's it for the custom. Like, subscribe if you was messing with it. You already know how that go. I'll be making more videos. I'm gonna get back on this stuff, but hope you guys are all right. Treat yourself, okay? All right, then I'm gonna see you on the next one, all right?